viewers, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. There is a reason when he make Judith Iscariot want to silence Mr. Obasi. There is a reason. Make una take una time to listen to this video. Tori don yakata for ground. The person wey advise Judy Iscariot say make he go sue. That person is Judith Iscariot's worst enemy. Is the worst enemy. This matter, this suing can dey expose Judy Iscariot. Instead of the matter to hook Mama Rita, or rather hook Mr. Obasi, but this matter can dey reveal more secrets about Judy Iscariot. Mr. Obasi, anytime when that man come outside, can't talk one word, everywhere they scatter. Broadcast where Mr. Obasi go, he still dey ground. They never settle am. Anytime that man open him mouth, the kind things where that man dey talk, they shake the Edochie family. Now they don't call Amobingo. Yes. Tell Amobingo say he's a shame and disgrace. They tell Amobingo say see the elements when he carry come into their family. See shame and disgrace. So Amobingo know very well that Juju Ekwe-Nsuru Masi Mami Water is from a wretched family. Wretched church rat. People are from wretched family. People are from church rat family. It's not an insult. But sew your coat according to your size. If I'm from a poor family and I decide to be behaving like Davido, the day when my bomb go open, people will mock me. But if I'm from a wretched family and I humble myself, the day when it go cast, nobody go laugh me. Because poverty is not a sin. Nobody will laugh at me. Because I no ever tell anybody say, I be Babangida Pikin. Or I be Tinubu Pikin. Judy Iscariot presented herself as rich man Pikin. Now when the Edochie family don't find out, they come begin they call Yul. Begin they insult them. No be small insult. Hey, they insult Yul. They insult them. The Edochie family tell Yul say, no wonder Judy Iscariot is not a graduate. All the wives of Grandpapa Pete Edochie, they are all well educated with their degree. Now only she be the illiterate like me when he dey inside that family. They say no wonder. Now Amobingo can't tell them wetin shock them. As you see say all the family they curse am. Hi, if you see curses when they rain on Yul, say what a shame. Ha! If to say you be single, this girl now this woman are single, you go carry am. It's understandable. So you mean you left your wife? Hey, you left full package. Go carry dustbin. Put for his ass. Ah, they say no be small laughing. No. Now there, now Yul come scatter the table. My people, you self don't marry wetin you no understand. Yul marry wetin himself no understand. You know wetin I like about God? I always say it. God always punish cheating men. They go cheat now one. Now God say they show the lesson. Only one woman now God say they teach them lesson. Look at Two-Face. Now only Two-Face borrow leg room. My peace of mind. Look at Churchy. Now only churchy borrow leg run with no respect for these women. No respect. Look at Yul. See the shame and disgrace on him. When we dey tell am say he go carry kpekus wey dem don overuse, it is say we dey carry the talk. See the shame, see the disgrace. Now, my people, you say Juju Ekwensu Judy Iscariot. Una no dey see the name Judy Iscariot. Una don't forget wetin Judas do Jesus Christ. For those of una wey no know, now betrayer, now Judas betray Jesus Christ. And anybody called Judy, if you like, go give your pikin Jude and Judy. If you give them, begin they bind and rebuke the spirit of betrayer. So, Amobingo say, when Mr. Obasi talk about Judy, Papa being a Onisha to Ababi, Onisha to Kinikon driver, he saying shock. Even you shock. Beer parlor women, they go use you to shop dry meat and beer for beer parlor. They don't play Amobingo. Amobingo when they tell us, say, come let me teach you how to deal with women. Come let me tell you how to handle women. You will never understand women finish. He say he won't teach people. Do you know what is women? Women don't even understand themselves. Women don't even know themselves. Yeah. Women go do some kind of character. They go sit down again. They ask themselves, wait here enter my head. Hey. Some go begin they guess, I be Ogbanji safe. This kind of my character. Women never feel understand themselves. You say, one man go come out go say, he won't teach you women. As they see good, now so that they see bad. If God can't punish the cheating man, can't jam somebody like Judy, you are a goner. They know how to pamper you enter fire. Judy Iscariot is worse than Jezebel. Amobingo say, the thing when Mr. Obasi talk yesterday, he said na the very first time when he dey hear am. Amobingo say, my people, make I fell laugh first. Amobingo say, Judy tell am say, papa, na be chairman for their local, for their village local government there. He said, now waiting Judy tell him. He said the day when he go, he said Judy kinsmen, they told him that Papa Juju Ekwensu now be chairman of their village local government. Say Papa Juju Ekwensu is into politics. He said that was the very first time when he go, no Judy, Papa. He said they can't gather. I said the whole family of Judy, they were calling Papa Judy Iscariot. They were calling him chairman. Hey, see 419. 419. Hey, my people. Headache, they worry the Edoche family, not be me. Headache, they worry them. Those people, God. God, save me, Edoche. God, save me, Edoche. Sometimes when your marriage break, don't cry. Sit down and wash before you begin ask God why. Imagine me, Edoche, being in this situation. Imagine me, Edoche, sitting down and watching all this old thing happening to her. If or even worse, past bringing in another woman. Do you know the shame and disgrace? Just that you they behave, just that you they do like saying a gragra behind closed door and they meet that man. That man they regret waiting carry and go meet Judy Iscariot. That man is regretting. Do you even understand the shame and disgrace? As he reached there, he said the whole Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water family. You know, they say 419 family. They were calling Judy Papa chairman. He no say the planner. He no say the planner. He said na dear na Papa Judy call they tell and say In dey run politics. But na inside village here na dey do am. Anything politics na dey control. He said that was the very first hope that he had in this family. Going into a family that are in politics, that means hungry no dey beat them. For his father to be the chairman of their local government says a lot. You say he no even do research. He no even ask question. He just believe them. He say he just believe them. He said now when he entered into the relationship, the father started demanding. He said he was confused. This man saying now local government chairman. Say the man go say, he no want touch the people money. They won't build one project. There is money coming. They have not paid their local government. One big money is coming. Amobingo say, do you know that there was he say Amobingo said this man continued to task him money. He was surprised. He come ask them say, your papa no be politician. He said they come tell and say they never pay their local government. You know, say they share money, give every state. The state go come share, give every local government. He said they never share, give them now for like 2 years. So the money where they come, where won't come enter their local government, is getting to about 100 or 150 million when they won't send come for projects. So they just arrange that one, they wait for them. Once they come, make you no worry. You say that was how he was pumping into this family. He say no, say Jujueku Insu papa do driver from Onitsha to Aba. He said the very first time when he dey hear na from Mr. Basimat. The very first time. He said now he look and now he say no. He can't call person wey know Jujueku Insu very well. He say, come call the person, tell the person, say he's confused. This whole thing is making him go crazy. Tell him what is happening. How come Judy Papa the drive bus? He said the person laugh. And the person tell her, say, you never even start to the hear something. You don't dey panic, they call. That man never exposed that family now. That man never exposed that family. Do you think Judy want to silence that man because say they knock for second floor? No. Do you think Judy want to silence that man because of the things when he don't talk? That man never talk now. The man tell una say he get money. Una think say he don't talk finish. When he tell una say Judy Papa na driver now, una shock. He said the man never even talk. Oh. He said that man never tell una the story. He say, yo, you never start anything. You go carry beer parlor woman. Hey, the husband met her in beer parlor, doing a shower, carry enter house. She reached there, she continue her shower for the man house. You self, you carry. What do you expect? The person tell you, say, yo, you've not heard anything about the family. Just go buy BP medicine and relax. The day you hear the full story of that family, you know go see bomb but sit down again. Not be family where they banish come off for village. At this time of our era, this millennial have been a Gen Z, have been a J-Alpha millennial where we did so. They banish people from village. That person must be a devil, a Quensu demon, for them to banish such a person from the village in this era for Africa. Who still they do? That person get what he must do. He said they banish them. They banish them from the village. Cause people. He said you never hear anything. No. He say why his sister no fit marry? His sister. He said Mr. Bassi never tell you. He said why his sister no marry? Man say his brother uncle, you don't hear the story of Jujueku Insu brother. Criminal. The day they go come for her, they will come for you. The day they will track that man account, they will owe you. You are go need. You go no say na arm robber now you they deal with. You tell family say na so in week. Wait till come the hear come the shocker. He said this whole thing when he hear so. He said Judy never tell her anyone. He said Judy Iscariot has never carried him to sit down and explain all these things to him. He said just the hear all these things for the very first time. Now the family of Amobingo tell Amobingo say you are a mumu. You are a woo, a witenje. You be a woo. See shame and disgrace. See shame and disgrace. My people, even Amobingo don't even know the secret of Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water. Amobingo no know how Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water family be. He said they play am 419. He said they deceive am. Say make you don't worry. If papa know 2-3 people for inside politics. You know see as he life bend. I not tell una. When I tell una say may Edochie, when he carry you enter politics, you campaign. But see the Juju Ekwensu promise and faith. We think say na only Juju they take promise and umbano. They even use their own father to play you 419. Cheating husband, they must collect. No escape for a cheating man. So Judy is carrots, they play Amobingo. The man will want to teach other men how to catch women. They even play Amugu. They not only play Amugu, make you abandon your children, they help them, they train their children. They also play Amugu, say their papa na politician, chairman local government. Amobingo don't pose, but he don't pose. No wonder 2 of them they dance for social media at that time. No wonder they shout see very joyful. You say don't jump politician pikin. Hey, una remember when you tell us say all women have what they bring to the table. Oh, so this was all about all they bring to the table. The father was a chairman, local government chairman. The father is into politics. No wonder Judy they tell us say, do you know who I am? Poverty stinking people coming to my line, coming to my page to tell me something. Una we never see food eat. We don't know say our own works pass our own. They don't play Amobingo 419. They don't play Amobingo 419. They don't cash Amugu. They don't cash Amobingo Mugu. The so-called politician pikin. Hey, the so-called chairman of village local government. They don't deceive Amobingo. Amobingo say himself shock. The things when he hear about Juju Ekwensu family is a shock to him. Hey, wonder America, wonder shall never end. Make una leave una comment for the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.